Here's your picture. You don't need to talk. It's already hard. It's deaf. And I should still be in the picture. But you want me to open?
I don't know.
Snuff box. Oh, that is really neat. For my juices and my contacts. Oh, that is really nice. Oh, that's cute. Covered in a decade. Oh. Nice. Oreos on the who's. I borrowed it. My son caused it. I don't get the year off. Oh, not a teddy bear.
Smell it.
And soap.
Mm-hmm.
Caramels.
Mm-hmm.
That's really neat.
That's what I thought.
Did you go through your stocking?
No.
You go through your stocking.
Open that one.
Yeah, you can wait to open that.
Oh, have you used it?
Yeah.
Strange. Oh.
Son, it was good to us.
Ah.
Okay. Very good, Georgia. Going 10 up. Go ahead and open. Scott, why don't you turn around and put your stocking in front of you to open it?
Oh, what is that? Round?
Yeah.
Oh, neat.
For ooh.
See what
Oh,
they
yeah,
are?
I do. What'd you
A
find
pantyhose.
with that?
I got pantyhose. Oh, I got a watch.
Dang.
No.
She's got a watch. The new one.
Yeah? Open your stuff.
Pantyhose. Car. I got pantyhose.
Aren't you coming to open?
Yeah, I will.
Car.
Don't be so screwy, Shelley.
Chocolate Santa. Chocolate Santa. All right.
Shelley, you need to move over just a little bit. Well, not.
Another watch.
Yeah,
Why don't
plenty
you
of room.
play in that one, Scott? This one, yeah.
Lifesavers.
Like when you go outside and you're playing football and stuff.
Okay.
Okay.
Got 2 new watches. Okay, all right.
Okay, right where everybody is
All right.
in the picture.
Okay.
So if you move any farther that way, you go out.
So if I move over that way, go out.
Yeah. But I mean, and you don't have to stay in it. It's just a, you know, I'm in everybody's way.
This. Put this on. Lifesavers, please.
Well, I'll have to set it first,
Yeah.
you know.
Oh, okay. This is not as good. Does it have a light? This one's not as good as this one.
No.
No, they're not, you know, they weren't that expensive. You gonna let him open that first?
Oh, okay.
I do. I want to.
Okay.
I was just trying to hand
Okay.
what was closed.
Let's put it over. We'll just put it up there for right now.
That's Shelley.
I want to get
That's
on my.
for you.
I want to get on
Okay,
my.
now, it's nice to be in a hurry. Why don't you at least read who they're from so that you have an idea of what you're opening, okay?
Okay. This is
Dad.
to Shelly, Dad from Barb and Jerry. Okay. That's Dad.
I don't have any order, do I?
From to Scott.
Not really.
From Barb and Jerry. Okay.
And also, why don't we throw the paper over here?
Okay.
And
What
later
about
on,
the bows?
keep those. Put them,
That's for me, Dad.
put them over here. Just throw it back in the back. That's good.
Don't cover up my paper.
Yeah,
That's I mean, you for me. That's for me.
Okay.
You. G.I. Joe! Joe thing! Alright, I got lots of G.I. Joe stuff. Holy smokes, this is what I owe.
You just play with that all day.
Hello!
Well, everybody moves, see, so now I'm gonna lower it.
Alright. Finally.
I
Finally got
was adventure. And I was just looking around and stuff. But if it wouldn't have jumped right out into my hands, I would have forgotten all about it again.
Look, Dad.
Holy smoke, look at that
I
thing.
know it. Thank you.
Train and
Battle set. Dad, can
that's
you get
tremendous.
this? And I had it on my Christmas list too.
There you go.
Dad, look at it. We got lots of G.I.
Oh, my
Joe
God.
stuff.
That's well, let's take the paper out of here so you don't back up on paper.
Oh, really?
Throw it over there.
That's the price tag on it. This cost $16.
Well, she leaves the prices on in case they don't fit. So you can take it back. Okay? You don't need to.
Put this over.
You
You
don't
don't
need.
have to look at the price tag.
No, Shelley. That's if they don't fit. Okay?
Okay.
So just don't worry about.
I got a lot. Hey, Dad, you know who this is?
Huh?
You know who that is?
No, I don't.
That's Ace. That's Dean. That's
Uh,
Peter. And that's without the makeup.
Those have matching socks.
Oh, me. This for me.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What? Oh, man, you like what I from Dad and Dougie. Where do I put the box in?
Yeah, we want to save boxes too.
Yes.
You shooting them?
G.I. Joe!
No.
Mom, get your truck alright!
Shelley, what are you just
Fantastic! Okay, I got something to put my people in now.
Thank you, Scott.
You're welcome.
Find you.
Oh, that's great.
Gosh,
Really
look at all
nice.
this G.I. Joe stuff I'm getting.
Just both are cheap. You can open one and Scott can open the other since they're both of you.
That one.
And that one's two.
Two Scott from Grandma.
Scott, I'm not going to tell you again.
Oh, yeah. This is two times from Dad.
We don't have a lot of room to begin with.
Where's the
You don't need the card. We'll just throw all that together.
Here's
You can
my-
build everything.